Boost Mobile AutoPay automates plan renewals and recharges using a linked payment method. AutoPay automates plan renewals and recharges using linked bank accounts, credit cards, or digital wallets. This service ensures seamless continuity of service without manual intervention. When AutoPay fails, it manifests as either a recharge error, indicating a transaction denial, or a renewal error, signifying a failure to extend the plan, which leads to service interruption. Addressing these issues effectively requires a systematic approach. First, ensure sufficient balance and that your payment information is current within the Boost Mobile app or website. Common causes of failure include insufficient funds, expired card details, or account suspensions due to suspected fraud. Acknowledge also that app-related bugs or network outages can contribute to these errors. Recent issues in mid-2025 related to cyber attacks and app glitches have led Boost Mobile to roll out a secure pay update aiming to improve data encryption and reduce errors. However, intermittent problems persist, highlighting the need for vigilance. As of Q3 2025, Boost Mobile reports AutoPay success rates of approximately 85% for active users. Network outages can also contribute to these errors, as seen in similar service disruptions. If AutoPay fails, immediately verify payment details within the app, clear the app's cache, or try resetting the payment method. As of Q3 2025, Boost Mobile reports AutoPay success rates of approximately 85% for active users, but manually monitoring your account remains crucial. Contact Boost Mobile support at 1-888-266-2278 if issues persist. For persistent AutoPay failures, consider advanced troubleshooting steps. Tech-savvy users may find success by using a different device to process payments, which can bypass app-specific glitches. Alternatively, link a digital wallet like Google Pay, PayPal, or Venmo, which can bypass app-specific glitches. User reports from July 2025 indicate that switching to a Google Pay-linked account resolved chronic renewal error issues for some. Proactive error prevention measures include enabling two-factor authentication to enhance account security and reduce fraud-related failures. Looking ahead, mobile payment systems are evolving towards greater security and reliability, driven by AI and blockchain technologies. Boost Mobile is already utilizing AI chatbots for AutoPay support, achieving faster resolution times. Industry trends point to increased adoption of contactless payments, with potential integration of decentralized finance for prepaid services, which could eliminate intermediaries and AutoPay errors. In the future, biometric verification may further combat fraud, while predictive AI could reduce payment failures significantly by 2027. Note that in June 2025, a DDoS attack affected 500,000 users, resulting in AutoPay failures. This highlights the vulnerability of the app to external issues and the need to follow the provided steps. Keep your Boost mobile app updated to benefit from the latest security enhancements and bug fixes. Understanding these trends and proactive steps is key to a smoother AutoPay experience.